Hello everyone. If you are interested in NNDM, this video is for you. Nano Dimension acquires machine learning deep learning leader DeepCube Limited. So, if you are not aware of Nano Dimension, here is a quick peek. Before we go to what NNDM does, let me introduce you to something called PCBs, printed circuit boards. Currently, around 90% of all PCBs are manufactured in the Asia Pacific region. So, what does that mean? Timing is of course an issue, longer waiting periods is an issue, but the major issue is intellectual property is cited as a major cause for concern. Hardware design companies regard their PCB designs as core IP, that is intellectual property, and some are reluctant to send them to Asia for prototyping. So here if you see, prototypes are often created by sending digital designs and waiting 7 to 21 days to receive a PCB back. This is slow, costly, and puts core intellectual property at risk. So this is where Nano Dimension technology comes in. Additive manufacturing electronics, that is AME industry leader, more than a dozen granted patents and more than 3 dozen patent applications, boast to market advantage. The only technology that converts digitally electronic circuits into functional high performance devices. Approximately 60 systems sold worldwide. Okay, so what are they offering? They have this Dragonfly LDM, which alone, I guess in 2020, if I'm not mistaken, this device alone got around 500 million revenue in sales. And then they have this high PEDs and all these devices for fast prototyping. If you guys have missed my video on NNDM's latest news, here it is. Please have a look. So who are their customers? They said approximately 60 systems sold globally. That is 3 multi-billion US dollar defense manufacturers, 2 European defense companies, multiple leading research institutions around the world. Okay, so one thing to notice here is they are not into mass production. They develop the prototypes only for research and development based projects as for now. Nano Dimension announced on April 20th, 2021 that they signed a definitive agreement to acquire DeepCube Limited, a world leader in machine learning deep learning technology. Nano Dimension will pay the shareholders of DeepCube approximately $40 million in cash and $30 million in American depository shares of Nano Dimension, which are subject to stand still for various periods of up to 3 years after closing of this transaction. Such closing is expected in the next few days, subject to the satisfaction of customary closing conditions. To those who are unaware of DeepCube's technology, they focus on research and development of deep learning technologies that result in improved real-world deployment of AI systems. The company's numerous patented innovations include methods for faster and more accurate training of deep learning models. DeepCube's proprietary framework can be deployed on top of any existing hardware in both data centers and edge devices, resulting in over 10x speed improvement and memory reduction. DeepCube provides the only technology that allows efficient deployment of deep learning models on intelligent edge devices. DeepCube's pillars, so to say, are sparsification, where agnostic to model type that results in a significantly more lightweight model. Proprietary inference model. They developed its proprietary techniques and methods from scratch, which are highly optimized for running sparse deep learning models for inference. They are fully automated. DeepCube's platform reduces the size of any deep learning model in a completely automated way without any manual intervention. So here you can see the difference between traditional neural net and neural net with DeepCube. It has approximately 90% size reduction during training. On any device, deep learning deployment has speed improvement and memory reduction, OS and hardware agnostic, efficient deployment on edge devices. DeepCube has been mentioned in the Inside Big Data Impact 50 list for Q2 2021. This list consists of Google AI, Nvidia, Intel, Microsoft, Amazon Web Services. They are not in the top 50 list, but they have the name in the honorable mention list. Here, if you see DeepCube, deep learning deployment on any device. Other than this, they have been mentioned in the 7 executives, 52 companies, and 137 products win 2021 Big Innovation Award. So in this, if you search for Cube, we have DeepCube technology here. They have a winning product. Other than that, we have news like DeepCube launches product suite to accelerate enterprise adoption of deep learning. DeepCube scientists and engineers, all of whom are expected to join Nano Dimension upon closing of this transaction, are AI, ML, DL experts. veterans of defense forces, homeland security, and governmental big data agencies, as well as academic and industrial research institutions. Its founders are Dr. Ellie David and Mr. Yaron Aiton, DeepCube's chief technology officer and executive chairman, respectively, both of whom are also directors of Nano Dimension, and its CEO is Mr. Michael Zimmerman. So, all this, according to me, is very good news. Plus, Nano Dimension will host an investor call to update on the above acquisition on Friday, April 23rd, 2021 at 9 a.m. ET.